So this unit here is a 5x5 piece that I made, and the thing I love the most about this hair topper is the hair. You can see that the hair it just moves with little effort, and it's so soft and it doesn't tangle. You can just run your hair through it, hands through it, your fingers through it, and the hair just moves. And so one thing about me is I don't care to put a lot of curls in my wigs or my hair toppers, because I feel like the hair should look as natural as possible. So I do not add a lot of curls when I create and style a unit. So I pretty much just like to see what the hair will do as far as the movement and the body. After I bump it or flat iron it, I just want to see what the hair will do and how it will perform. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the benefits of the 60-second clip and go hair topper. I created these custom hair toppers because I believe that there were women out there who wanted a product that would help them conceal thinning and maybe baldness in the top of their hair. I believe that there are women who do not want to wear full wigs all the time, and they would like to still have the option to be stylish and have something where they can remove and take off when it's convenient. Something that adds volume and length, something that looks natural and realistic, something that's undetectable, something that is dependable, reliable, stays in place, not hard to care for. I was inspired to create the 60-second hair topper because I like wearing short hair, and I know there are a lot of other women who would like wearing short hair, but the length or your health of your hair could be compromised in the top, and so therefore you may find yourself wearing sew-ins or quick weaves or wigs even to try to conceal the hair loss or thinning in the top. So I wanted to create something that was stylish, convenient, again, durable, undetectable, that you can wear, that women can wear and still maintain, their short hairstyle or, the trendy hairstyles. You can add color, do many different things. It offers many different benefits, the 60-second clip-in hair topper. So let's talk a little bit about this particular unit. This is a 5x5 human virgin hair unit. So the circumference or it covers the perimeters of the crown of your head, and it's shorter on one side than the other. But of course, if you want to switch it up and comb it the other way, you can. I won't demo that because I don't want to mess up the style. And then my hair underneath is really short. My sides and my back are relaxed, and so I don't even have my center of my hair braided. I just have it combed back, and I just took the clips that are sewn inside the base of the unit, and I just pinned it and then closed the clips, and you'll see that it's dependable. It's there. It's not going anywhere. Unit, so you can see how the back looks. I kind of cut it or shaped it so that it would go to one side, and you'll see that the majority of the length is on this side, and this is my hair that I relaxed in the back, and you'll see the unit stops about right here, and then my sides again are out, and I have clips all throughout the unit to keep it in place and stable so that it won't move, and the clips don't cause any discomfort to your scalp as long as you have your hair properly maintained underneath. And so that's it. It just takes less than a minute to clip it in place, and if you want to add curls or anything to it, you can. If not, it's ready to go.